Welcome back, friends! In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of EduClub. EduClub is an innovative online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses and resources to enhance your educational journey. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply an individual with a thirst for knowledge, EduClub has something for everyone. In this video, we'll explore how to make the most out of EduClub and maximize your learning potential. So let's get started. The first step is to create an account on EduClub. First, click on the link in the description and visit this website. Head over to the website and click on the Sign Up button. Then click on the Individual Learning option. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Or click on the Continue with Google and choose your Gmail. Once you've completed the registration process, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click on the link provided to verify your account, and voila! You're ready to explore EduClub's vast learning resources. Tap on Start to start learning, then put your finger on number 1. That way you can watch a video, watch the video completely and press the Enter button on your keyboard. Now I skipped this video, so this is a quick YouTube video. Then complete all the videos, activities, and games that come there. Here you can watch 685 videos, activities, and games. You can also get the VIP membership here, but you can get the work here without taking the VIP membership. If you don't get the VIP membership, you can skip things like games that are only available for it. I also not get the VIP membership. Congratulations! You've just learned how to make the most of your EduClub experience. Remember to explore the course catalog, enroll in courses that align with your interests and goals, engage with the content actively, participate in discussions, track your progress, and seek support when needed. EduClub is an incredible platform to enhance your learning journey, so dive in and embark on an educational adventure like no other. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Until next time, happy learning. Happy week.